presenting a pre-owned 2014 Honda Accord LXS. 2014 Honda Accord LXS, where style meets smiles per gallon. This two-door coupe has a 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter i4 engine with front-wheel drive and a 6-speed manual transmission. This Honda has less than 100,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 24 miles per gallon in the city and 34 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Behold the 2014 Honda Accord LXS. With a peppy 2.4L i4 engine delivering 185 horsepower and 181 lb-ft of torque, it's like a rocket ship on wheels. This beauty boasts less than 9,000 miles/year, excellent condition, and a clean Carfax. Enjoy 24/34 mpg, city/highway, and features like comfy seating, power windows, and an audio system that'll keep you jamming. It's smoother than butter, cleaner than your conscience after skipping dessert, and ready to roll. Don't miss out. Snag this gem before it's gone like the last slice of pizza. Key features include auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, wireless data link, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.